Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your voice chat or microphone not working in Marvel Rivals. So we're going to start by heading over to the Marvel Rivals lobby and then just press the escape key on your keyboard to bring up the settings and click settings. From the top navigation, click on audio and make sure all of these volume sliders are turned up to full, including the master volume. We're then going to scroll down to playback, and for the output device, this is where you want the sound to be playing out from. So for here you need to select either your speakers or headphones and then scroll down to the voice chat section and make sure your input device is set to your default microphone. For the voice chat mode, I'd recommend setting this to open mic. Some people have been reporting issues with the push to talk feature, so by setting this to open mic it can fix some of those issues. Make sure of course the volume sliders are also turned up to full here, and we want to make sure the voice chat is turned on and enabled. Then we're just going to close out of this window to save all of our changes, and then we're going to head over to our desktop just to check some of the settings there. So from your desktop you need to head over to your start menu, search for control panel and click on the control panel window. Next to view by, make sure this is set to large icons and then click on the sound tab. Click on recording from this window and make sure your microphone is set to the default device here. Now you can do this just by selecting your microphone and clicking on this set default button. Also make sure it's enabled just by right clicking on it and selecting enable. It's also a good idea to disable any microphones that you're not actually using. So you can see the only device I have here enabled is my microphone. Everything else is all disabled, and you can do that just by right clicking on it and selecting disable. Then you need to right click on your microphone and select properties. Click on the advanced tab and make sure allow applications to take exclusive control of this device is turned on and enabled, and press apply and OK, and then press apply and OK. Then the last thing we're going to do is head over to the start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select privacy and security. Scroll all the way down to microphone and make sure you have microphone access turned on. Make sure let apps access your microphone is also enabled. And then we're going to scroll down and you need to make sure let desktop apps is also turned on like this. And then you can close out of this window and you can try launching up Marvel Rivals, and that should have now fixed any microphone issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.